Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off the function to share via floating window option in Realme 14x phone. So first of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings, we're looking for accessibility and convenience option. Then we need to go to floating window. And here we have our options. So share via floating window option is right here. What does this function do? We have a very short explanation here. So when sharing files or content to an app, open the app in the floating window. So we can enable this function using this switch. It's a simple on-off switch. There are no other options or menus here. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.